For great is the mercy of the Lord, and he is long-suffering, and he does not impute iniquity to those who will turn away from all their transgression. Book of Jubilees 5:17. In the world we live in, we are taught to fear every mistake, as if one wrong move disqualifies us from the covenant forever. But the forensic record tells a different story. This verse from the Book of Jubilees is more than just a comforting thought. It is a jurisdictional decree. It means that the Father is not standing over you, waiting for you to fail so he can condemn you. He is long-suffering. He is holding the door open. When you make the conscious, forensic decision to turn away from transgression and align your frequency with his, the record of that iniquity is no longer imputed to your account. The legal debt is cleared. If you've been feeling the weight of the active shadow or the sting of past mistakes, remember that mercy is the higher law of the court. Turn toward the light, reclaim your standing in the covenant, and walk in the peace of a cleared record. The Father is not looking for perfection. He is looking for those who will turn back to him with a whole heart. If this frequency resonates, subscribe and share to help others recover the record. Check the pinned comment now for 100% free resources and the link to our Scion Sanctuary Hub app. That's where you'll find the 88-book library, our forensic study circles, and the healing solfeggio rooms. While you're there, hit the community marketplace to support our members' natural products, or visit the Spiritual Tribunal Resource Center for our official books, metal signs, and empty tomb apparel. Every bit of support fuels our 501c3 mission, and stay tuned for our upcoming 50-50 profit split that will allow our members to share in the harvest. Step into the sanctuary and let's build the kingdom. I'll see you in the Enoch Circle. Shalom.